all started on a cold day in La Lucy Land. Coldest day of my life. Coldest day of my life. What's that? Whoa! Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm the school teacher. Y'all better get inside school. Whoa, it's snowing. This is the best day ever. Mint? Is Mint sick today? Oh, she can't play in the snow? That's horrible. Or is Mint? Oh, is that Mint? Whoa! Miss B, what are you doing all the way down here? I was going to ask you the same question, but you asked me first. I was looking for you. Well, I fell down. Come on, let's go. Where? I don't know. Ow, 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 ow. Stop, hurting me, okay? Well, I will if you stop hurting me. Ow. Okay, let's just take a peaceful walk and look at the view. Whoa, is that some kind of... Is that the sun? That's the sun! I think it's the sun. I don't know. The great and powerful sun! Oh, no, the great and powerful sun! Oh, the sun! The sun, the sun! Ooh, it's reflecting. Oh, do you know how exciting this day is? We actually see the great and powerful sun. The sun, it is great and powerful. But just look at it. What does it mean? A few hours after they've been looking at the sun. A few hours after they've been looking at the sun. I think it's the moon now. Mittens? Ow! Sorry, I couldn't see you there. I couldn't see you. I can't even see where we're going. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. This is bad. This is bad. To be continued.